Rice water can work wonders for your hair and skin. Yes, it's an ancient beauty secret that has stood the test of time, and today, I'm going to share how you can unlock its magic. Let's talk about why rice water is so amazing. Rich in vitamins like B and E, minerals, and antioxidants, rice water nourishes your skin, reduces inflammation, and even tightens pores. For your hair, it strengthens strands, adds shine, and promotes faster growth. No wonder it's been a go-to remedy for centuries. You can make it at home. Take half a cup of rice and rinse it thoroughly to remove impurities. Add 2 cups of water and let it soak for 30 minutes. Strain the water into a clean bowl, and voila, it's ready to use. For even better results, you can ferment it by leaving it at room temperature for 24 hours. This boosts its nutrient content. How do you use it? For your hair, use rice water as a rinse after shampooing. Leave it in for 10 minutes before washing it off. For your skin, simply dab it onto your face with a cotton pad or use it as a refreshing mist. With regular use, you'll notice stronger, shinier hair and brighter, smoother skin. And the best part? It's 100% natural and chemical-free. So why not try rice water today and give your beauty routine a natural upgrade? Let us know your experience in the comments below.